This is DOOGEE T30 Pro, and today I will show how you can record the screen on this. Start, open the notification panel, look at the control or quick access panel, find and tap at the screen record tile, set up your preferences here, then start. As you can see, the countdown has been started, 3 seconds. And currently the screen recording procedure is underway, so, well, do that, show what you want to show. And once you would like to finish the screen recording, you will need to, well, simply open the control panel once again, find the same icon and tap on it. So the screen recording has been, well, made or finished successfully. Now you can just open your preferred gallery app, in my case that is Google Photos, and you'll find your screen recordings in the separate Movies folder. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.